and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fly using Elytra. Well, I mean you're flying, but you only fly downwards when you're using Elytra. You don't necessarily fly upwards. So to do that, you're only going to need two things. You're going to need Elytra and some fireworks. That's it. Put the Elytra on, and first thing that you're gonna need to do is find some altitude. So it just has to be high. It doesn't have to be low. So like this abandoned village I just found. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is actually not bad. Anyways, let me just change my game mode. Okay, you're gonna need to find some altitude. So let me just get some blocks here. Just give me a moment, guys. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm just on top of this house. It's nothing big. And let me just change my mode. Okay, so first thing that you're gonna need to do is make sure you have your fireworks. Well, your fire. Dang it, I forgot what they're called. Anyways, make sure you have your firework on, and all you're gonna do is while you're in Elytra, you're just gonna right click and you're gonna start flying. So let me show you. Alright. Just like that. I'm in the Elytra mode, and all I'm doing. Oh, that was a bad choice. I shouldn't have jumped. Now I gotta find altitude. Boom, there we go. And you can go as high as you want with this. I'm just gonna go straight down and left click. Oh, look at that! I just found a ravine. Looks pretty deep, so. Oh, that's actually pretty deep. Anyway, well, that's how you use Elytra. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.